Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best woodshop air filtration systems that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Powertechch AF4000 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system. This unit offers airflow speeds of 300, 350, and 400 CFM, making it a decent option for small to medium-sized wood shops or garages. It comes with a remote control that allows you to adjust settings conveniently, even from across the room. The pre-filter and inner filter are easy to replace, ensuring minimal downtime during maintenance. In terms of design, the Powertechch AF4000 features a compact hanging design, which helps save valuable floor space in your workshop. The build quality is decent, although it's not as robust as some higher-end models. It weighs in at just over 31 pounds, which makes installation straightforward, while it lacks advanced features like ionization or 360-degree intake. Its performance is reliable for basic dust and particle filtration. Overall, this is a solid mid-range option for hobbyists or DIY woodworkers who don't need heavy-duty air filtration. The price point is reasonable at $174.30, making it a good value for its features. However, if you're looking for more advanced capabilities or higher airflow rates, you might want to explore the other options higher up on this list. At number 4, we have the Dewalt DWXAF101 Air Filtration System, a trusted name in woodworking tools and equipment. This unit is designed with a 3-speed airflow system for dust collection, offering speeds of up to 400 CFM. It includes a 2-stage filtration process to capture both larger particles and finer dust, making it effective for reducing airborne contaminants in your workspace. The included remote control adds convenience, letting you adjust settings from a distance. The design features the iconic Dewalt yellow metal casing, which is lightweight at just 20.9 pounds, the lightest unit on our list. It's compact and easy to hang from your shop ceiling, which helps maximize floor space. However, the noise level is slightly higher at 64 dB, so keep that in mind if you prioritize quiet operation. While its airflow and filtration capabilities are solid for smaller workshops, it doesn't match the power or advanced features of higher-ranked options. The Dewalt DWXAF101 is best suited for hobbyists or professionals working in smaller spaces who trust the durability and reliability of Dewalt products. While the price isn't listed, its feature set suggests it's in the mid-range category. Its 3-year warranty is a standout feature, offering peace of mind for long-term use. Coming in at number 3 is the ShopFox W18303 3-speed hanging air filter. This model offers airflow capacities of 260, 362, and 409 CFM, making it a versatile option for small to medium-sized wood shops. It's equipped with a timer function, allowing you to set it to run for 1, 2, or 4 hours. The filters are easy to replace and can even be cleaned with compressed air, reducing maintenance costs over time. When it comes to design, the ShopFox W18303 features a sturdy build with a white metal casing that blends well into workshop environments. It comes with chains and eye bolts for ceiling mounting, but can also be used on a workbench if needed. At 33.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other models, but the robust construction ensures durability. However, the noise levels range from 50 to 60 dB, making it one of the quieter options on the list. Priced at $216.47, the ShopFox W18303 delivers excellent reliability and ease of use for its cost. It's ideal for users who want solid performance without breaking the bank. While it lacks advanced features like ionization, its consistent filtration capabilities make it a worthy contender for most workshops. At number 2, we have the WEN3410 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system, which stands out as the budget-friendly option on this list. Despite its price of $159.99, This unit offers impressive features like a remote control with RF technology that lets you operate the system from up to 26 feet away, even without direct line of sight. Its airflow settings range from 300 to 400 CFM, making it suitable for rooms up to 400 square feet. The programmable timer is a handy addition, allowing you to set automatic shutoff after a predetermined duration. The WEN3410 is compact and lightweight at 31 pounds, making it easy to install in small workshops. Its design is straightforward, with a durable black metal casing. While it lacks premium features like ionization or extreme airflow rates, it compensates with reliable filtration using a 1-micron filter and a 5-micron pre-filter. The noise level ranges from 50 to 60 dB, ensuring quiet operation during use. This unit is perfect for hobbyists or small woodshop owners on a budget. Its affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance make it the best value option on our list. However, advanced users may find the airflow capacity and feature set somewhat limited compared to higher-ranked models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Abbastorm Air Filtration System, the premium option on this list. Priced at $260.11, this unit offers advanced features like a built-in ionizer that helps eliminate odors and improve air purification. With airflow rates ranging from 1,050 to 1,350 CFM, this powerhouse is capable of handling rooms up to 1,700 square feet, making it ideal for larger woodshops, garages, or professional environments. The 360-degree air intake system ensures comprehensive dust and particle collection, while the MERV 11 filters provide exceptional filtration performance. The design is sleek and compact, measuring 20.5 inches on each side and weighing only 27 pounds. It's easy to install, thanks to the included mounting hardware, and the touch panel and remote control make operation effortless. The noise level is slightly higher, ranging from 60 to 69 dBA, but that's a small trade-off for its superior filtration power. The build quality is excellent, and the unit has undergone rigorous testing to ensure reliability. The Abbastorm Deck Dust 1350 IG is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand top-tier performance and advanced features. While the price is the highest on this list, its unmatched airflow capacity, ionization capabilities, and overall build quality make it worth every penny. If you're looking for the best of the best, this is the air filtration system for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.